Additional context of Bertam Alliance Berhad. UH Holdings Berhad was founded in Malaysia on June 27, 1994. The company has transformed from a manufacturing company to a top real estate development organisation. To get better reflect of the new identity, the company names was subsequently changed to Bertam Alliance Berhad on January 21, 2003. Bertam Alliance Berhad offer management service to its subsidiary. Building materials, trading, construction and real estate development are among the company segment.
Next is a financial ratio analysis. Current ratio RM3.48 in 2018 is the highest current ratio, while 9 cents in both 2020 and 2021 are the lowest compared to the current 5 years. Acid test ratio 75 cents in 2017 is the highest acid test ratio, while 2 cents in 2021 is the lowest compared to the current 5 years. Days in receivable 8 days in 2017 is the fastest to collect the firm receivable, while 918 days in 2018 is the slowest compared to the current 5 years. Account receivable turnover 44.48 times in 2017 are the most times to collect the firm's receivable, while 0.4 times in 2018 are the slowest time compared to the current 5 years. Days in inventory 7 days in 2017 is the shortest time to have their inventory before being sold, while 16,377 in 2018 is the longest compared to the current 5 years. Inventory turnover 54.53 times in 2017 are the most times to sell and replace a firm's inventory in a year, while 0.02 times in 2018 are the lesser time compared to the current 5 years. Operating return on assets 23 cents in 2017 is the highest of operating profits relative to the firm's total assets, while negative 80 cents in 2019 is the lowest compared to the current 5 years. Operating profit margin 43.24% in 2017 is the highest operating profit margin, while negative 637.74% in 2020 is the lowest compared to the current 5 years. Total asset turnover 52.95 cents in 2017 is the highest total asset turnover, while 0.32 cents in 2018 is the lowest compared to the current 5 years. Fixed asset turnover 1 ringgit 60 cent in 2017 had the highest fixed asset turnover, while 2 cents in 2021 has the lowest compared to the previous 5 years. Debt ratio 26% in 2018 has the highest debt ratio, while 19.52% in 2019 has the lowest compared to the current 5 years. Time interest earned 13.65 times in 2017 has the highest time interest earned, while negative 241.32 times in 2020 has the lowest compared to the current 5 years. Return on equity 30.41% in 2017 has the highest return on equity, while negative 34.92% in 2020 has the lowest compared to the current 5 years.
Factors that led to the PN17 listing for the company are: first, the company's shareholders' funds are less than 25% of their total paid up capital. Second, the auditors expressed negative opinions about the companies. Third, they discover that the loan amount is higher than the value of their assets. Lastly, the default in loan interest and principal repayments.
Based on the Bertam Alliance Berhad financial performance from 2017 to 2021, there are several internal risks, which is loss of talented workers, second, production disruption, and last but not least is increasing cost of capital. And in my opinion, I strongly believe that the most significant internal risk is loss of talented workers.
Next, I will present about projection. In my opinion, Bertam Alliance Berhad will getting better for the next year. This is because the company have agreement with Richard Lim Dunyan and Lau Nyameng to issue a share of 74,431,000. Then the company had a general meeting, have many outcomes from the meeting. All of the discussion outcomes have been accepted and will be completed as soon as possible. The first ordinary resolution is to approve the payment of director's fee on other benefit payable. Next, the company wants to propose the renewal of the existing shareholders' mandate for required related party transaction of a revenue or trading nature. The final point of the discussion is to propose that the company be authorized to purchase up to 10% of the total number of the share issuers.
Recommendation for Bertam Alliance Berhad. Firstly, focus on education and growth. A leader of the agency ought to recognize the strengths and weaknesses of various professionals earlier than making a plan of action to enhance the effectiveness of the employer. Secondly, work on quality product and services. Organizations must find out what the clients need from the enterprise or the offerings they locate the most valuable from their needs and dreams. For companies with direct interplay with a customer, employers can provide anonymous alternative for customer to fill out lawsuit or offer remarks. Thirdly, usage of technology. Technology up-to-date equipment plays an essential function in the efficiency and effectiveness of an agency. Employers can use software or share up-to-date, preserve one-of-a-kind participants of a crew with the nation of an assignment, even if they are now not actively operating on a selected part of the challenge.